Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module, I want to show you how you can protect a sheet or part of a sheet. So on the screen I have 3 months, January, February, March, and a total sheet. The total sheet is full of formulas linking everything together, so as I type things in the months, these formulas are picking it up. I don't want anybody to delete any of these formulas, so I need to protect the whole sheet. To do that, you go into Tools and Protect Sheet. Once you do that, this box comes up. You can give it a password and confirm the password. I'm not going to do a password for this. Obviously, if I don't put a password on, people can just do unprotect and it's unprotected. Whatever you've got ticked in this list below is what you are allowing people to do without knowing the password. I'm not going to let them do anything other than select a cell. So I'll just click OK to that. And then that is protected. I cannot type anywhere on here, which is great. However, on January, February, and March, if I go to Jan, I do want people to type in the orange area. So I have to do it like this. I have to highlight where I want them to type, right click, go right down to the bottom to format cells. And then I need to come onto this cell protection tab and I need to take this off. That's step 1. So there's 2 steps. I need to take that off. Clicking OK. And then I need to go back into Tools, Protect Sheet. Again, I won't bother with the password. I'll click OK. That should allow me to type in the orange area, but not in the white. So I'll do that again for February and March. So you highlight where you want people to type. You right click, you go into Format Cells, or you can do the key command, Control and 1. And then you make sure you take that tick off so people can type. It doesn't do anything until you do Protect Sheet. So if you just did that, that wouldn't make any difference. You click OK, you go Tools, you go Protect Sheet, and give it a password if you want. Click OK. And again, you should be able to type in the orange, but not in the bottom bit. Last but not least, March. So right click, Format Cells, take the tick off, OK, up to the Tools menu, Protect Sheet, select what you want, click OK, test it. Like that. And if you come back to the total sheet, anything you've been doing will be pulled through because that's what I've done straight off first of all. So that's now not going to be deleted because nobody can type anywhere on this sheet. I've protected it. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can protect a whole sheet or protect part of a sheet. So hopefully this video is of use. Thank you for your time and I'll catch you on the next one.